Hey guys, welcome back to Arry the Stag. TR Tony here. Hope you're having a great week wherever you are. I'm currently travelling about, so it's a very short, brief update this week, but didn't want to leave you in the lurch. And just reflecting on the journey with our UNY 49M car. As many of you know, it is due to come back to our house very soon. And I just discovered some old archive video actually from a while ago to do with the doors, and I'll just show you a few clips from visiting Alan back in, I think it was about January, February. It was after lockdown, but we were all quite safe in the same bubble, and yeah, it was quite interesting just to see the condition our doors were in. So if we go over and have a look, I'll show you that, and then I'll come back later and show you where we're up to currently. There goes the boot
Again,
and onto the door. You can hear that.
Got to make good all through here.
Yeah.
That's not too bad, that frame.
Yeah.
But
Along the bottom.
all of the bottom is gone.
Yeah.
Which I find, again, quite strange, because that would not have been the lowest point.
No, this would be down here, because
Yeah.
the drain holes are
Yeah.
down here, aren't they,
Yeah.
normally?
But
Yeah. And that structure, that was the...
that's just the rubber stop for the
Is it?
window.
The
Yeah,
winder?
Nothing more.
Okay.
It's,
Yeah. Yeah.
I mean, I don't know how much of the damage to the shape of the panels is down to the shot blasting.
Don't know.
Because if they'd done really heavy shot blasting,
Yeah.
it's possible that could have.
Undulated the...
I don't know. I don't
No.
understand enough of the process
No.
of shot blasting. But
We'll never know, will we? Because we didn't know what was underneath 16 coats
No.
of polyfiller and
that's
filler
it.
and double panels, treble panels in some cases, weren't they? Do you remember?
Yeah.
On the rear wing.
Oh, I can't forget.
Yeah.
But it's like
There's nightmares about that, don't you?
You run your hand
Yeah.
over there,
Yeah.
and
Yeah, you can feel it. Literally.
I can't believe that it would have got in this state just from use.
There's too many dings, isn't it? It's almost
Yeah.
like someone's kneed it 25 times.
And the other
Yeah.
part, I don't, because that's paint.
Yeah. Yeah.
It was inky. This door was inky yellow.
So you can see the hue of
Yeah.
yellow anyway.
Yeah.
Can't you? Yeah.
So, yes, I can appreciate that was filler there at some stage over that dent,
Yeah.
but over every single dent,
Yeah.
I don't know.
No.
So, if it was, someone spent an awful lot of money on isopon.
Yes.
In fact, they probably kept isopon from going
They
bust.
probably kept shares in them, I would think.
No,
Yeah.
it was one careless owner.
Yeah.
How bad's this door going to be to do?
I can salvage it.
Okay. Only because there's a refurb one on here, but it's 295.
Yeah.
That's actually not a bad price.
No.
But
But it's in crew.
Is it?
Yeah.
Well, I'm working in crew next week.
There you go. Back to no, you got to pick up the boot for the other one, ain't you?
Yeah.
near side or off side?
Near side.
Yeah. So I've got the Triumph, and they've even shaped it underneath.
Yeah.
It's correct, but wrong.
Yeah. Yeah.
And I must admit, when there was a door card on there, and it was on the code, you probably never saw it.
No.
But it did make me smile when I saw that other door used to be inky yellow.
Yeah. That's funny. I didn't know that.
I meant to tell you last time. It's distorted in a similar way. That's curved right up, but as you can appreciate, that is rotted out all the way along there,
Yeah.
all along there.
That's where the water gathers, isn't it? Because the pinholes will block up, the drain holes will block up.
So you
That's
explain,
what I was looking for this morning.
So you explain then why that's rusted there.
Because that's your channel coming down from the window.
It's rotted right out.
So I
the
guess it
inside.
and there's a gap there often. So maybe it's water got
Possible.
stuck behind
Yeah,
your
but that's
vertical.
rotted out inside there.
Yeah.
He put filler in it because he was practicing his filler work.
Yeah. Okay.
But if I was to knock that,
Yeah.
it's rotten through most of that.
Yeah. Okay.
But again,
Top bit looks alright, doesn't it?
again, if you were to run your hand over that,
Yeah. Oh yeah, you can feel it.
But that's what every single panel's like.
Undulating.
Yeah. And again,
You can feel.
up there,
Yeah.
I mean, you feel that dent there.
Yeah.
But the other thing I'm having issues with is trying to pull these back
Yeah.
so that when the door handles go in,
Then it's going to.
it's going to look right. Otherwise, you're going to end up gapped.
Yeah. I did have a door handle in my hand this morning. If that's any use.
But
See you tomorrow.
okay then, Jerry.
See you, Jerry. Take
Here's
care.
the interesting part, because this door came off of your magenta bloody stag. That is some of the original paint,
Which
of
looks
this
yellow
door.
to me.
That is inky
That's
yellow.
inky yellow, isn't it?
Because this is
Yeah.
exactly what I thought,
Yeah.
and
That is
you
inky
can
yellow,
see
definitely.
that it hadn't been blasted. Thankfully, not blasted too much.
Yeah.
But all of these bits,
Yeah, you can see.
this door was inky yellow.
That's been a replacement door then at some time.
But you look at, well, you've
I
kind
can
of
see
got
it. I can see it. I'm feel it there.
Yeah.
You can see it goes up that angle, then goes
Yeah.
up, and then up and down.
I've
Yeah.
got to try and make sense of all of this.
Well, I suppose all the dark spots are with it.
Well, the dark spots are mainly, I mean, it's covered in dust.
Yeah. Yeah.
But what I'll do is pull most of those dents back up,
Okay.
much the same as I have on the wings and that.
Yeah.
Pull those back up. It's going to have a thin skin,
Yeah.
but that's all it will be.
Yeah.
Difficult parts will be where the mirror was. I
Yeah.
will cut that out and weld that back
I'll
in.
be back in
The same as I did on that door.
because they all waggle on there. Don't
Yeah. But as you can appreciate, it's all pin rockets
they?
through
Yeah.
there.
Down there.
What was worse? I think the worst part of it's pretty shit down there. Oh, that's rotten.
Yeah.
But the thing is, this door had been reskinned at some point.
Is it?
Yeah, because it's not rotted along there.
Yeah.
So this door has had a new skin
That's right.
at some
At
point.
some points.
So again, it's salvageable, same as that boot lid.
Yeah.
It's salvageable.
Yeah.
You know, because like I say, if you were to buy another boot lid,
Yeah.
you could be buying something that's full of filth.
I know, you can't see it, can you?
No.
Well, like that bonnet, looks alright. The new
Yeah.
bonnet I've got, I'll bring it
Yeah.
down tomorrow, but or whatever. But
Yeah.
you can't actually see what it's like. It's got paint on
Yeah.
whatever else.
But all of this, that's easy. I can reshape all of that.
Yeah.
Put new plate in there.
Okay.
What I've got to try and do on that door, because I've done the outside, is the inside part.
Yeah.
Because that is supposed to be a straight line for
Yeah.
the door card to slot in.
Yeah.
It ain't.
No, because these are all retained, aren't they?
Yeah.
And that's the bit where you can see the paint here.
Yeah.
Exactly. So
Yeah.
your board comes down
Yeah.
here. It's
Yeah.
around there. You can see it all.
Which is the odd bit with that door. Someone's done some repair work before, quite badly,
Yeah.
because this is distorted.
Yeah. You can see it. All right, guys. Well, that was interesting, wasn't it? This was where we were back earlier in the year. Alan was going to work his magic. I think you can see just how rotten those doors were. They really were in a right state. And months later now, and we haven't picked the car up yet, but it is imminently due back to our house. And I think Alan's just finishing off some last minute snagging things, but very shortly, within a couple of weeks or so, we're going to have it back to the house. And I just thought I'd show you a couple of pictures of the body, the tub, which I know one or two of you may have seen on our Saturday Sockets email already, but nevertheless it's worthwhile just showing you. And interestingly, just exactly what he has been able to do with the doors, working it up from scratch, getting it into primer and filling where appropriate, although he's a bit of a stickler for not using too much filler at all. He'll rather do the metalwork and the welding and the repair wherever he possibly can, rather than put any plug into it. And I think you can see now just how yellow the car is and how a great finish he's got on the both doors. And so we're chuffed to bits with the results. If you looked at those doors back at the beginning of the year, I think we'd have all torn our hair out and thought they were a waste of money, and actually to go and get some new ones. But Alan's done his magic, and here we are a few months later, and we've got some decent doors to go with our decent tub, which is due back imminently, as I say. Good. Okay. Well, as I say, just a very quick update this week. Just wanted to show you some of the journey that we've been on. Useful for future to look back and see all the nooks and crannies of what we've been trying to resolve and trying to sort. And there you go. So I'll be back in touch with you guys next week. Meanwhile, have a good one. Hope you enjoy yourselves. Please feel free to like, share and subscribe on the channel. Don't forget about our Saturday Sockets email on a Saturday. Sign up for that and get off-camera shenanigans. And of course, if you fancy a badge of honour sticker for your car free of charge, just get in touch and we'll send you one anywhere in the world. So that's the plan. It's all part of having fun on Arry the Stag. All right, guys. Well, that's it for now. Have a great week, everyone, and we'll see you online on Arry the Stag very soon. Cheers for now. Bye.